Hi, it's Fies Taro. Hello, Libra placements. Okay, so this is your general and the person on your mind reading ngayong July. Okay, so yeah, again, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And yes, opo, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating sa ating mga items. Okay, so yes, pinaflex ko to dahil meron tayong bago palaging mga followers, subscribers. So kung ikaw, lagi mo namang naririnig to, you can skip the video, papunta na sa reading. Okay, kita mo naman yun kung kailan ako nagaganyan na. So, so let's see. Yung ating mga items are all available except doon kay Grantor kasi si Grantor po ay made to order. Okay, so Libra, kung sino man ang mga nanonood, meron tayong protection from evil eye. Yeah, ring natin is adjustable. Okay, ring, necklace, and bracelet. So, yung bracelet natin is dalawa. Isang adjustable, isang garterized. So, yung garterized natin is ganito. Okay? So, ganyan. And yung ating adjustable is ganito naman. With initial. Available in red string po ito, And syempre, yung ating necklace. So, yung necklace is non-tarnish, hypoallergenic. Merong extender yung kanyang chain. Pero pwede naman gumamit ng ibang chain if you want to. Okay, so yung ating pendant is maliit lamang. So, this is unisex. Meron siyang, tawag dyan, blue stone doon sa kanyang center. Hindi lang makita sa ating camera. Oo. So, maganda yan in person. So, yung ating bago. Oo. Yung 2-in-1 love and money bracelet. Oo. Yung merong citrine. Okay, citrine stone. So, yan po yung ating citrine. So, citrine is ginagamit para makamagnet ng pera. Okay? Yeah, specific to magnet abundance. Yan, mga ganyan, no? So, kung lalaki ka, gusto mo nito, pwede mo namang ilagay sa red pouch. Okay? Wala namang problem if ever. Okay? So, I need your real name. Kung magpo-purchase kayo, I need your real name. Real name din po kung inyong ipangreregalo. Okay? Real name ng pagreregaluhan. Hindi ko alam bakit ako inaantok. Sino inaantok sa inyo? Oo. Kompleto naman tulog ko. Anyway, so, yeah. Yan ang ating 2-in-1 money and love bracelet. Okay, so, next is yung ating grantor. So, si grantor, yung pong taga-grant ng mga minamanifest ninyo. So, you have to protect your manifestation sa pamagitan ng paggamit din ng mga evil eye protection. Okay? So, pinoprotektahan, nabubulol na ako. Pinoprotektahan ng mga evil eye protection yung ating frequency. Okay? Kasi yung minamanifest natin, nasa frequency yan. So, paano ba mapoprotektahan? Hindi mo alam kung paano. Okay? So, ito yung mga pamamaraan natin. Isa sa pamamaraan. Okay? Paano mo mapoprotektahan yung inyong frequency na nandoon yung minamanifest mo. Okay? Sino pong magbabato? Sino pong magbibigay sa akin ng evil eye? Wala pong pinipili kung sino ang magbabato sa'yo nun. Okay? Kapatid mo, nanay mo, tatay mo, kapitbahay mo, kahit walang mga galit yan sa inyo. Okay? Yes. Lalo na kung meron kayong kagalit. Diba? So, yun. So, again, this is unisex. Okay? Yung ating grantor. So, si grantor po yung taga-grant ng minamanifest mo and tagapagbigay ng surprises weekly. Okay, weekly po, And syempre, yung ating cord cutting. So, si cord cut is like pangtanggal MALAS. Pangtanggal alat din. Okay, kung ano man ang nagbibigay sa iyo ng kaalatan, tatanggalin nito at haharangan na niya kung gusto mang bumalik or kung meron mang gustong pumunta pa. Okay? So, yun po ha. Ang mga combo natin ito at saka ito. Okay? So, yan yung mga madalas na pinapagawa sa atin. So, yan. And yung si Grantor, yan yung mga bigatin yan eh. Oo. So, anyway. Okay? So, kung meron pong tanong ha, message na lang po. Avoid magtanong sa comment section. Okay? Ayaw po natin na tayo ay marereplyan ng mga scammers. Ha? Okay, hanggat ang dami ko nakikita nagtatanong, hindi ko yan nire-replyan. Yes. Hindi ko po yan nire-replyan. Sinabihan ko rin si admin na wag re-replyan yung mga nagtatanong sa comment section. Hayaan nyo silang mag-PM. Para rin sa inyo kasi yun. Okay, para maiwasan na yung pagko-comment ng mga inquiries, no? Pagko-comment ng mga tanong-tanong. So, again, let's start the reading for you. Libra. Sensya na ha, medyo mahaba yung intro. Sabi ko nga, you can skip the video. Okay, Libra. In general, what's for you ngayong July? Anong kailangan mong malaman ngayong July? Libra. Libra, Libra. Libra. What's for you? Judgment. Anong paparating? May paparating. Something. What's this? The Four of Pentacles. Some of you, kailangan mong mag-ipon. Ha? Kailangan mong mag-ipon. You need to save. Let's see. Or this July, pwedeng gagawa ka ng isang plano na mag-ipon. For the rainy days, maybe. Okay? What's with this Four of Pentacles? Strength in reversed. The Nine of Pentacles. Yeah. Andun yung energy na parang masecure ka lang. Okay? Yung parang alam mo na meron kang bubunutin if ever na may kailangan ka. Parang ganon, ha? Yeah, the Sun in reversed. Kung titingnan natin to, this is freedom pagdating sa finance. No? Meron ako nakikita dito, Libra, na merong cycle na kailangan mong makaalis doon. Okay? Some of you, patungkol ito sa kaperahan mo. Strength is here in reversed. Andun yung energy na parang may magbabago sa kaperahan. Like, hindi mo na kailangan magtrabaho ng sobra. This is not for all, I think. Okay? Yung hindi mo na kailangan magtrabaho para makakuha ka ng mas malaking pera. Okay? Darating sa puntong hindi mo na kakailanganin magtrabaho ng sobra, pero kikita ka ng mas malaki. I don't know. This is not for all. Pero claim nyo, maganda yung read. Okay? Claim nyo, maganda yung energy. Okay. Ating ilak. Yeah. Some of you may chance na makaka-recover from a certain sabihin nating sakit. Okay, may makaka-recover. Could be a Scorpio, Earth, or Leo. What else for Libra? Yeah, again, the Fool. You have 3 major arcana here. Queen of Swords. I'm hearing visa. Okay, visa. Some of you travel this July. Okay? Ace of Wands na pwedeng hindi nangyayari before, pero ngayon may chance ng another travel could be. Some of you may na-pending lang na travel and ngayong July matutuloy. Okay? Pero I think this is like visa. May mabibigyan ng visa to travel. Okay? Madalas sa mga nakuha ng grantor necklace, visa ang hinihingi, ang minamanifest. I think some of you have grantor necklace. Okay? May makakapasa sa isang test or exam, board, bar, may energy na ganun. Okay? The Nine of Pentacles inverse, yeah. Some of you, this is talking about responsibilities, no? Entering, siguro, sa mas maganda or sa mas mataas na posisyon. Yung iba sa inyo, I'm hearing, tawag dyan, increment, no? Increase, pagdating po sa pera. Okay? That's nice. Money is coming for Libra. Yes. The Queen of Wands in reversed. What's that? The Queen of Wands in the reversed. If this is insecurity, some of you have insecurities. Oh, ang ganda. The Nine of Cups. Okay. So, may mahihil na mga ka-insecureano. May mahihil na insecurity na sa tingin ko dinaranas ng iba. Okay? Some of you, may chance na parang there's this somebody na pwedeng alam mo na or sa tingin mo hindi ka gusto pero yeah, gusto ka. Okay? They're just hiding. Yeah. Some of you, this could be sa workplace. Okay? Iba dito, may chance na pwedeng may matutupad ka na pangarap mo or wish mo pagdating sa sarili this July. This is wish fulfillment. Yeah, the Nine of Cups. The wish fulfillment. Some of you, yeah, may mag-grant. Ten of Swords in reverse. This is regarding changes. Yeah, the Emperor is here. The Ten of Cups. The Ten of Pentacles. I'm hearing one-day millionaire for some of you. One-day millionaire. So, kung ayaw nyo nun, yeah, may pera pero ang daling maalis, ang daling mawala, manage mo. No, manage mo. Kung may darating kang malaking pera ngayong July, yeah, manage mo. Ipon, mga ganyan. Pero yeah, sa'yo naman yan, no? Well, bahala ka. Pera mo yun. O, diba? May darating. Okay? So, let's see. Anong meron naman pagdating sa person on your mind, Libra? The person on Libra's mind. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's see. Libra, who is this person you're thinking? The person on Libra's mind, who is this? The Seven of Wands in reversed. Some of you, pwedeng walang block dito sa message, mga ganyan. Seven of Wands in reversed. Yeah, and the Two of Swords. This person is too open. They like you, I guess. We have here the Knight of Wands. This is open. Openness. Okay. Flirty. Yung nakukuha kong energy from this person. They're playful, some of them. Yeah, the Hierophant in reverse. Yeah, some of them, they're playing the field. May pagkanan committal. I'm sorry. May pagkanan committal or maybe they have commitment issues, mga ganyang bagay. Let's see, ano bang situation mo or ninyo nitong taong to? Okay, so we do have here the Knight of Swords. This is energy of communication. Maybe there's this back and forth communication na nangyayari sa inyo sa ngayon. Yeah. Oh, is this ligawan? Yeah. Is this ligawan? Somebody is falling in love, like slowly falling in love. The King of Cups, the Temperance. This is energy ng panliligaw. Again, the Hierophant. So, I think this person, they like you. Pero, sa tingin ko, I don't know, some of you specifically, hindi mo pa sinasagot tong taong to or hindi pa kayo. Okay? Gusto lang madaliin. Gusto lang madaliin kung anong meron. What is their emotion for you? Let's see. What is their emotion for you, Libra? Deep, deep down. Deep, deep down. What is their emotion? The Fool in reversed. The Three of Wands in reversed. I think itong taong to sigurista. Parang ganun. Mapababae, mapalalaki. Sinisiguro niya na makukuha ka niya. Libra. Sinisiguro niya na makukuha ka niya. Three of Cups. I don't know if this is somebody from the past or current. Pero the energy is gusto niya ng connection with you. Okay? And sinisigurado niya na dapat may mangyayaring connection sa inyo. Okay? So, ano advice for you, Libra? I'm seeing communication. So, kung hindi kayo magka-communicate ng taong to, then this is not your read. I'm hearing communication. Okay, yeah, there's that flirt energy. Flirt, mga ganyang bagay. Anong advice for you, Libra? Anong advice? Page of Pentacles in reversed. Oh, bakit? The Eight of Wands in reversed. This is telling me, Libra, kung gusto mo man nitong connection na to, ang ina-advise sa'yo is reject mo raw. I don't know. We have here the Four of Wands in reversed. Okay? Hindi ko nakikita to. Hindi natin nakikita kung anong meron, pero the energy is telling me that this is a red flag. Okay, that this is a red flag. This is an advice, is a gabay. Masyadong nagmamadali itong taong to para magkaroon kayo ng connection. Either bago man or luma itong taong to. Meron tayong mga hindi nalalaman at hindi nakikita pagdating sa intensyon ng taong to. Kanya-kanya po yun. Okay? Kanya-kanya. Sinasabi na advisean niya, ikaw, ni universe na stop communicating. Stop. Meron tayong hindi nakikita dito. Libra. Okay? The Four of Wands is here. This is short term. Nasa ilalim. Kaya hindi natin nakikita. See? The Sun in reversed. Madilim. Hindi to klaro. Okay? There's something here. Something hidden. Mamaya nabubulagan tayo kasi yes, nakakasaya itong connection na to. Masaya eh. Okay? Nandito yung landian kung ano man. Yeah. Pero eventually, I don't know kung anong mangyayari. Ayokong tingnan yung outcome kasi hindi naman kayo pare-pareho. Okay? Sinasabihan ka lang na kung kaya mong itigil or reject itong connection, tong tao, do it right now. I leave you hanging. I will. Okay? I will leave you hanging. Para malaman mo rin. Kung gusto mong i-take risk, then go. Okay? Meron tayong hindi nakikita dyan. Let's see. Who else? Who else? The person on your mind, Libra. The person on Libra's mind. Who is this? Who are they? Who is this? Libra. The person on your mind. The Ace of Cups in reverse. Your love interest? Or you're somebody's love interest? The Ace of Cups in the reverse. This is a new love interest. Oh! The Wheel of Fortune, Death is here. This is a new love interest na hindi makapasok. I think this is somebody new na pwedeng sinasabi pa lang ni universe na papasok pa lang to. Wala pa. Papasok pa lang tong taong to sa buhay mo. Hindi mo pa to nakikita. Hindi mo pa to nalalaman. Hindi mo pa nakikita kung ano man ang meron sa kanya. Okay? This is future. I'm telling. Okay? This is somebody new. Ibibigay sa'yo ni universe sa tamang oras. Okay? Anong blockage dito? Bakit hindi napasok or bakit hindi pa ibinibigay? What's the blockage? Blockage ng mga Libra. Anong kailangan mong malaman? Okay? Some of you need to walk away from somebody from the past. And focus on your self-worth, self-care. The Nine of Cups, this is healing. Some of you, hindi mo pa ginagawa yung healing na kinakailangan. I don't know why. Some of you are still holding on to someone or a situation. Could be. You're on the Five of Cups. Hindi ka pa nakaka-move on. You're still regretting. You're still crying over spilled milk. Let's see. That is why nagkakaroon po ng blockage. Hindi ka pa totally nagle-let go ng mga kailangang i-let go. Okay? You need to surrender. Yeah. What you need to surrender? Anong kailangang i-surrender ng mga Libra? The Queen of Pentacles. Being the Queen of Pentacles, ang kailangan mong i-surrender is yung pagiging open. Yeah, pagiging open. Pagiging martir. Okay? Yeah. The King of Swords in reversed. Kaya madalas, ito yung kailangan mo talikuran. Kaya madalas tayo'y napupunta sa connection na parang lagi na lang palpak. Lagi tayong, I don't know, like, naghahanap. Lagi na lang tayong parang kukonek. Sabihin nating dapat magustuhan niya ako, so gugustuhin ko rin yung mga gusto niya. Enough with that BS. Okay? Hindi ka nagiging totoo sa sarili mo. Okay? You don't need to provide everything. Ano ka, genie? Yung genie nga hanggang 3 beses lang eh. Ikaw, okay? You're not a genie. Let's see. Temperance. Balance. Patience. Okay? And hindi raw kailangan itong madaliin. Yeah. Focus on something more important sa ngayon aside sa pagkakaroon ng karelasyon. Some of you, kailangan mo muna maging busy, maalis yung isipan mo sa mga sitwasyong nagbigay lang ng gulo sa'yo. Okay? Para maka-move on ka, mawala ang blockage. Okay? Some of you need to surrender the hatred. Okay? The pain. Yun yung iba na nagiging blockage dito. Galit mo. Kung may kailangan kayo forgive them. Kahit hindi mo na marinig sa kanila. Kung if they owe you an apology, then hindi mo na kailangan na hintayin yun sa kanila. Kasi magbibigay lang yun ng bigat sa sitwasyon mo at magiging blockage pa yun. Okay, anyway, so sana naintindihan mo na yung reading. Okay, so tayo tumungo na sa all signs for your Libra placement. So may parating na bago, diba? Oo, yun nga lang. Kung sa tingin mo parang walang magandang napasok, puro na lang pare-parehong energy galing sa past, puro palpak, then may blockage nga. Kailangan mo mag-heal from something, from someone, para magkaroon ng bagong energy. Okay? So, Libra, Aries through Pisces. Aries through Pisces. Some of you, you're too drained. Draining energy para sa'yo, Libra. Okay, so Aries, selfish, self-centered. Taurus, they're waiting for you. Gemini, they have options. Cancer, you're there. Yeah, they see something like progress, improvement with you. They're attracted. Yeah. Leo, they're avoiding you. Virgo, they want to message you, I think. Some of you, they will give you drama. Yeah. Libra, something is hidden. There's this lies, deception for some of you. Scorpio, they have options. Or I think there could be something na pwedeng nagbibigay ng blockage dito sa connection mo with Scorpio. They're waiting for you, some of them. Okay. Sagittarius, they're thinking of you heavily, keeping tabs on you. Capricorn, you're starting to move on. Yeah, they're moving on. Aquarius, they're dropping you. Pisces, not healed. Yeah, still not healed. Anyway, so there, yun ang aking reading for you, Libra placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page and yung ating second YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Thank you. Goodbye.